nothing in return. Someone who uses other people to gain an advantage, even a drug addict. Add to those meanings some of the lovely acronyms that have arisen in IT departments, like the BDU, brain dead user, and the like. I just think perhaps it's time for a change. Now, let's move right along to mistake number 3. Now, this one's all about being seduced by shiny technology. Now, in my private life, I am a technology addict. I have tech-enabled gadgets and gizmos galore, and I love to learn new skills, master new applications, and I have a need to understand how and why things work. But my first ITSM role was not as any sort of technical specialist. I was brought on board to establish a service desk and to get that all-important single point of contact working. So why on earth did I take it upon myself to learn about networking, databases, and other technical specialties? Now, I'm all for multitasking. That's the way I live my life. But in this role, I really did need to work on establishing the service desk, providing excellent customer service and improving the reputation of the IT department. They had enough technical specialists. They didn't have enough communicators, and that's what they hired me for. So all that I served to do by learning all this wonderful technological information was to divide my attention and to take the focus away from where it needed to be, and that was on keeping our customers happy. I mean, this was the end goal. We wanted to see people like this. Now, I'll leave him behind and we'll move on to mistake number 4. Now, this one takes me straight back to ITIL. Now, I don't want you to get me wrong. I am a huge fan of the ITIL life cycle and what it represents, which is the collected wisdom of some very clever people who really get how service management works. But it is not a religion. That's where I went wrong. I worshipped at the feet of ITIL, and I did it for a long time. As I mentioned earlier, I probably drove my colleagues absolutely crazy. Every second sentence that came out of my mouth related to how wonderful ITIL was. And I fell into the trap of thinking that this was something that we could pick up and implement. Well, I'm here to tell you, you cannot implement ITIL.